Hey, how's it going? My name's Corey Norris, and I'm glad to see you here and interested in how to start a home-based business with this home-based opportunity. And that I want to wish you much success on your journey. And that when I was first starting out and looking for an opportunity to learn how to brand myself and market myself, I found this opportunity, and it's been a wonderful opportunity, going through all the training and going through the videos that it has to offer, and that using the techniques and the step-by-step training, I've started seeing success within my business. And not just me, but some other members in the group are having great success. Like one member started just a couple days ago, and she already made her first $50 within this with this opportunity. Right here, I have her testimony right here. And then, I just want to wish you much success within the group. And here's another testimony. And if you want to get started and learn more about this opportunity, click the button below. Get started. I'll see you on the inside.